Hey guys, are you ready to play with some Play-Doh? This is Amy Jo with DCTC, and today we are going to be playing with a Play-Doh set that has Princess Sofia and her pet rabbit, Clover. This play set comes with one Princess Sofia, and she has little molds all along the bottom of her dress. And of course, this is for her purple amulet. And I think we can probably put some Play-Doh up in her tiara. And then she has some little molds on the bottom of her dress as well. And here is Clover. So Clover is a little Play-Doh extruder. We'll put some Play-Doh in here, press down on it, and I think the Play-Doh will come through here and make some long bunny ears. And then he has a mold on the bottom of him as well. This playset also comes with 2 containers of sparkly Play-Doh, purple and yellow. And I have Queen Elsa and Princess Anna with me here today too, and I have them in some just plain white dresses, and we are going to decorate their dresses as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll pull out some of the purple sparkly Play-Doh. This is really sparkly. It has a lot of glitter in it. And let's decorate Princess Sofia's dress. So the first thing that I'm going to make is her special purple amulet. And that will be easy. Just take a teeny little bit of purple Play-Doh and press that in. And then we'll use some extra Play-Doh to pull off, oops, the excess part. This is really little. Press that back in. Oh my goodness, it keeps falling out. There we go. So now she has her purple amulet. And let's see, it looks like there is a spot to decorate here and here. So maybe we'll do that. We've got the molds at the bottom. Maybe we'll do this next. And I think I might do those in the yellow. The yellow is also glittery. So I'm pressing these down really hard because I think this will look best, yep, if I flip it inside out. So you could just fill it up, but you won't get all of the details. If you flip it around, you get all of the details that are on the inside of the mold. See that? I'll show you the difference when I do the one on the back. So, all right, so there's that one. We'll flip this one around. A little bit of purple Play-Doh there. I'm gonna take the yellow and just fill it up. So if I fill it up and I just take off the excess, you can't see any of the details. It would look like that. But if we take it and we flip it around, you can see all of the little impressions that are on the inside of the mold. But I will tell you, it is very tricky to do this because when you press it back into the mold, you press out all the impressions anyway. So I have too much Play-Doh, so I'm going to press that in, try to get rid of the extra Play-Doh. And now I will try to flip that around. So there it is. And now I will press that into place. Oops. So here are how the decorations turned out on the front and back. So see the difference when you flip it around? You can see all of the little impressions. So now we'll do the molds on the bottom here. Get some of the purple Play-Doh. And I was trying to figure out what they are. I know that there's definitely a tiara, and I think that the other mold is a squirrel. It's probably one of Sofia's little friends from her secret garden. I I know if I'm wrong, you guys will tell me, right? You'll tell me who that little squirrel is. Okay, let's see here. So we'll press down. Okay, here's what we have. So there's the tiara, and I think that is gonna fit right there. And there's the little squirrel. And, oh, you know what that is, you guys? That is her amulet, which I had already made. So we can just pull that one out and we'll pop this one in. So I put Princess Sophia's tiara in. So here's her little tiara and there's the amulet. And I also wanted to show you the little squirrel. I know that's very, very hard to see because I have a purple background and the Play-Doh is purple and that squirrel is itty bitty, but can you see it? There's this big bushy tail right there. Okay, so there is Princess Sophia. She is all set up. And next we'll do Clover, and then after we do Clover's crazy ears, we will decorate the dresses of Anna and Elsa. Okay, so let's make Clover some ears. I take some of the yellow Play-Doh and we'll press that in and ugh, that's hard to push down on. Here we go. Whoa, look at his ears! I didn't know they were gonna curve forward. That's really funny. That actually reminds me of, oh gosh, what are those, the Rams? My favorite team is the Tar Heels, and their mascot is Ramses, or Ramses is really what they call him, Ramses. And he has these kind of horns like this too. He's like a big sheep. That is really funny. Okay, let's try that again. We'll see if we can make them curl the other way. Whoops. Here we go. Here they go again. Ah! Let me see if I can tilt them backwards and make them go back. Poor Clover. Oh, they're crisscrossing now. Those are some long bunny ears. I think we could make like little ponytails. Aw, look at Clover. So I know that Clover is a boy, but when I saw those crazy ears, I could not resist making him into little ponytails and putting bows on him. Doesn't he look cute? All right, now let's decorate Anna and Elsa. Oh, Elsa. Elsa never can stand up. All right, so I have taken the Play-Doh pieces out of Sofia the first dress, and I'm going to make a bunch of these so we can decorate Elsa and Anna's dresses. Remember the trick I told you was to press all that extra Play-Doh? And then we'll take them out and flip them around, and then you can see all the pretty details. See? Here are all of the little decorations that we can use to decorate Anna and Elsa's dresses. So I'm just gonna take those and kind of press those all over the skirt. Maybe we'll do a little pattern like yellow, purple, yellow. Ooh, I hope these are gonna stick. Purple. Oh, one of my purple ones just fell off. Sometimes when the Play-Doh dries out, you can get it a little bit damp. I have a little spray bottle that I use sometimes, and that will make the Play-Doh sticky again. And I might have to do that. Oh, Elsa. Elsa always falls down. Okay, so that looks nice. see what else we can do for Elsa's dress. I think that Elsa's dress turned out really pretty, but I want to change her tiara, and I think I'm going to do that in yellow. So I have a little bit of yellow Play-Doh, and then remember the tiara was on the bottom of Princess Sofia's dress. So press down on her again, and there we go. And we can place that right over the top of Elsa's tiara. So here is how Elsa turned out. Now we can work on Anna's dress. So maybe I'll do 2 rows. I have a lot of little Play-Doh pieces left, so maybe I'll do 1 row of yellow and then 1 row of purple. And here is how Princess Anna's dress turned out. Okay guys, that's all we have for today. If you would like to see more Sofia the First videos, and I certainly hope you do, please click on the like button and leave me a comment and tell me who you think turned out the cutest. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's Clover. I think Clover turned out the cutest, but I'm guessing you guys will say either Elsa or Anna. So leave me a comment and let me know, okay? If you guys haven't joined our club yet, I certainly hope you will do so by subscribing to our channel. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Hope you have a great day. And hey, don't click away yet. There's something special coming.